Hello friends! For the past week I've been home alone because my parents have been on a trip to Gatlinburg and they're coming back today. They're texting me on how far away they are and stuff like that. Once they text me that they're about an hour or so under away, I'm going to call them and let them know that I made a huge mistake and left the water running and it flooded our wood floors. We're actually renting this house, so if anything happens to the wood floors, we're screwed. However, what she doesn't know is that when she gets home, instead of the floors being ruined, there's gonna be balloons! Now, I've got some friends coming over who are going to help me with this. I spent way too much money on this. Let's go! Oh gosh. We've been doing this for about 3 hours?
Yeah.
About 3 hours, yeah. Here is our results. Yay! 3 hours of blowing up balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4 numb lips. 3 explosions. My parents texted me, they said they were in Atlanta about an hour ago, so that means we have about 6 hours till they get here. When they text me that they're an hour away, I'm gonna go ahead and call them and let them know that I flooded the house. And thank you to my amazing friends who helped me. Say hello, guys.
Hi!
Yeah. See your face, there's a candle.
Hi guys, I'm really nervous. My heart is beating so fast. I don't know if they're gonna be mad at me or not. Okay, I'm gonna call them now. They should be about a half hour or less away at this point.
Hi, this is Diane. Hang on.
Hey, were your guys' phones off?
So we'll be home probably around 4, maybe a little later than that.
Am I on speaker?
I think you're on speaker. Go ahead.
Okay, can you both hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't want to ruin your whole trip home, but I have kind of bad news.
Okay.
Okay, so last night, I was trying to do dishes and stuff like that because I wanted to clean up the kitchen before you guys got home.
Sure.
And, when I left for church, I accidentally, I don't know why, I just kind of left in a rush, but I left the water on.
On where? Well, on where?
In the kitchen, but, I don't really know exactly what happened, but I guess, sometimes when the blue cups get in the bottom, it, overflows?
Right. In the sink, you mean?
Yeah, when it gets clogged up.
Oh.
So, I went to church, but I didn't come home, and then I went to accountability.
Right.
So the water was running for 5 hours.
For a long time? Heavy?
Yeah, and so, I don't know exactly how fast it was going. I turned it off really quick when I came home because it kind of flooded the kitchen.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, and
Okay, so when you say it flooded the kitchen, did it get on the wood in the living room and the dining room?
that's the bad part.
Okay.
So, yeah, it spread pretty far outside of the kitchen.
Okay.
So,
Alright.
and I usually can't notice things, but I can definitely see some swelling in the wood.
Yeah, sure. Did you get the water up or is it still there?
I got it, I cleaned it all last night when I got home and stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
Accidents happen. That's a big one. These things happen.
you can check it out for yourselves. I don't know.
Don't worry about it. Any of the furniture get a mess, like my cabinet in the living room.
I haven't really checked the furniture. I was more scared about the floor.
Oh, okay.
So,
Well, I'll check it when I get there.
okay.
Okay, don't worry about it. I mean, if things happen, it should be covered under the
We should never let my mom get that wood. Should have gotten tile.
I know, but remember, she wanted carpet.
Where are you at now?
I'm just at home. I got some stuff. I'm gonna make dinner later, so I'm just getting things ready for that.
Well, thank you, sweetheart. Okay, well, honey, we'll see you probably around 4.
Okay, I'll see you then.
All right.
Don't worry about it. I could have done the same thing, you know?
Love you. Bye. I have the nicest parents ever.
Guys, it's almost time for me to hide because I'll be here soon. So when that noise, I'm actually going to be hiding behind this thing. Let this be a warning to all the mothers out there who want to buy these little hidey thingies. Time to hide. Oh. Hey. Okay, they're here.
You gotta see this. Come here. Sit. Roll up. Put your head in there. Stick your head in there.
Oh, that disguises it nicely. How cute.
Good.
Somebody's been busy. Hello? Right! Welcome home! Oh, thank you! Woo! So see, that hides any water.
Yeah.
Well, that's a surprise. Nothing happened.
How long?
What do you mean nothing happened? Oh, you little
I pranked
booger.
you! Yay!
Well, how was our response?
It was too nice. I was trying to find the one thing that would make you angry.
Oh, no.
We were kind of concerned that,
Sorry.
we were trying to think, calling up, what are we going to say to Uncle Mike so we can see about insurance?
And now we leave. Because I was thinking, uh-oh.
Well, we kept thinking, well, that's so unusual for her. Why would she leave water on? Because she's not usually that,
And I felt bad because I thought you were up late.
Yeah, we felt bad that
cleaning
you were
the
up late to clean it all. A little acting came in there, girl. You did a good job.
Good acting job.
Very-
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
I love it.
Anyhow, are you happy there was no
Yes.
flooding?
We were relieved, but we were more concerned about you.
When you said something bad, I was thinking, oh,
Yeah, we
shoot,
figured
I
worse.
thought
We were
I knew, okay.
Well, we would have.
The real prank is on whoever has to clean this up.
Oh, no, we'll clean it up, a giveaway. One
Yeah.
fell out.
There's balloons escaping into the bushes, and there was a yellow one, and I don't know where it went. Okay, so that's it. As you can tell, my parents are probably not the best people to prank because they're way too nice. I do have some other pranks planned for some other people, though, so if you want to see more, leave a like, subscribe, and share, or, you know, all those typical things that people say at the end of videos. Okay, the balloons are leaving. Bye.